Hello, welcome everybody to our absolute beginners class for front-end developer. In this particular video, we're going to look at how to set up your system for front-end development. Whether you're an absolute beginner, you have never coded or designed any website before, in this video, we look at how to build beautiful websites as displayed on screen from scratch, learning from the absolute beginner level. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to have your setup running on your system, which is the first thing you have to install Visual Studio. You can actually find that on your browser. Okay. All right. So when you open your browser, just go to Google search and start and search for download VS Code. Okay. Now, when you hit the enter button, regardless of whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or whatever Windows you're using, you can actually have this installed on your system. So just come over here to this that says download. All right, so just scroll down on the search results and click on this particular link. Click on this, and once you have that, just wait for the page to load up, then you'll be able to download. Okay. All right, so you have something like this. If you're using the Windows operating system, just hit on this download. And if you're using the Ubuntu operating system, just use this. So make sure you download for the right operating system you are using. So mostly you have to be using the x64 architecture for Windows for you to be able to have this setup. I think they also have the x32 version. So just click on this download button. The moment you click on this download button, your download begins in your browser, and after the download is successful, just like you can see here, the download begins. So once the download is successful, just install the setup. So once you have the setup installed, you should be having something like this that I have on screen after finish installing VS Code. So the next thing you want to actually do is you want to actually install some extensions that will actually make development easier for you using VS Code. So you just click on this extension icon and you have a list of extensions available for you. So the first one we're going to look for is live server. So just type in live server and we're going to find this if it is available. Actually, it is available. So we have countless numbers of live server here, and you can see I have this installed already. So just install live server on your VS Code, then that will be available. So the next one, okay, before I move to the next one, you want to ask what is the name for live server. Well, live server, what it does, it's auto reload your page in your browser as you code. So for example, if I have a line of code and I actually do a particular modification, the moment I hit on Control S, which is for save, and I move to my browser, it automatically reflects, which means I don't have to press F5 or reload my page to be able to see the new preview of the latest update on my web page. All right, that is that. So the next one we're going to be installing is Prettier. So I'm going to type here Prettier. So wait for this to come up. So make sure you install Prettier as well. You can see it's installed on my own system. You can see it says uninstall, disable, and all of that. So once you have it installed, you what that does is it's automatically format your code, making your code more pretty or more beautiful rather than just having unorganized set of codes. So the third one we'll be installing is auto rename tag. That again, auto rename tag. Okay, good. Sorry. So this is the auto rename tag here. I don't have it installed already, so I can actually install that on my own system. Sorry, I need to close this. So I'll just click on this install button and I'll have it installed for me. So just click on install, that will install. What this does actually is it helps you easily rename your opening and closing tag. Maybe for example, you have a particular tag and you felt like, no, I want to change it to this particular tag, the substitute for that particular tag. It makes it easier for you to rename the opening and closing at the same time, just with one action. All right, so the last one we'll be installing for now is HTML snippets. This actually helps to give you quick autocomplete for HTML tag. Before you type, it already give you the complete suggestion for that. So just make sure that you install this. Once you have it installed, you can actually go down here and see what the usage is for. So once you have that set up, we have our Visual Studio set up already. You might want to change your theme, all of that. Well, I like this dark theme and I'm okay with it. So now that we have our VS Code set up, the next thing is to create our first HTML project. So our first front-end project, which is the first page of our HTML code. All right, so if you like this and you want more of this, please like this video and follow if you're yet to follow. Thank you and do have a wonderful time.